Hello guys, welcome to Nascent Tutelage. This is the home of comprehensive lessons. If you do find our content useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. So let's get straight into today's video. Today we are going to be looking at how we can merge PowerPoint presentations. So you're a student, you have multiple slides or PowerPoint presentations on a particular course, and you want to put them together into a single or a uniform PowerPoint. Well, if you want to know how to do that, in this video I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. So stick around, watch this video to the end, and then you will be able to know how to merge PowerPoint presentations. So first things first, you need to first open your PowerPoint. So open your PowerPoint, and then you have to create a new presentation. So we'll choose a blank presentation. Now, as you can see, this is a totally blank presentation. There are no slides on this particular one. So how do we merge the slides? So what you need to do is that you need to go to insert, the insert button on top of your PowerPoint software. Then you look at the first option that says new slide. So you click on the arrow showing down under the new slides. Now there are three options. You have the duplicate selected slides, you have the slides from outline, then you have the reuse slides. So this is what you are going to choose, the last option which says reuse slides. So just click on it. You will see a pop-up menu on the right hand side. Then you choose the option that says browse. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to select the first PowerPoint presentation that you want to be part of this. So assuming that I have PowerPoint presentations on speech writing, I have it in different weeks. So I'm going to have to pick the first week of speech writing, and then I would insert that particular week here. So I'm picking week 1 of speech writing. So I'll just select it from my computer, then I'll open it. Now once you open, you see that all the slides under that particular PowerPoint presentation will show here. So what you do is that on the very first slide, you right click, then you choose the option that says insert all slides. So you select it, then you see that it would automatically load all the slides into this PowerPoint presentation. So I have week 1 of speech writing fully loaded into the PowerPoint presentation that I'm making. So what you would have to do is that you come to the very last slide of that particular week or that particular PowerPoint presentation. Then you go to browse again. So the browse option, which is under the reuse slides, you click on it. Then now you go and select week 2, which is the second PowerPoint presentation you want to merge into this particular one. So I'll select this one. Okay. The next thing you would have to do is to right click on the very first slide, and then you choose the option that says insert all slides. And just like that, it will load the week 2 slides right after the week 1 ends. So as you can see, week 1 ends here, then it has loaded the week 2 right after. You repeat the same process for the rest of the PowerPoint presentation that you want to merge to this particular one. Okay, so let's assume that this is all I want to merge. So I'll just all I will do is that I'll now save it. So I will save it into a folder that I want to save it. So I've saved it under downloads. Just like that, I've been able to make the slides. So let's now go and open the merged presentation that we just made and see how it looks like. So I'll just go to my downloads. This is the PowerPoint I just merged some few moments ago. So I'll just open it, and then just like that, I have week 1, and once week 1 ends, week 2 continues. So this is how you do it. If you do find our video very useful, don't forget to like, share, and then turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching.